Hi, Chuck Brewer, Director of Operations for CTI. Today I'm here with Sonny Restivo, CEO and owner of CTI, and we're doing a product breakdown. All right, product breakdown on our Armor Patch Epoxy Patching Paste, guys. It comes in a kit. You've got the box, you open it up, and you've got all the components in front of me. What you will notice right off the bat differently is this doesn't get mixed with sand, guys. It has this dry powder. It's a glass. Yep. Pretty much. This patching paste is actually compatible with everything in the Titan series. You would put it down to repair hairline cracks, non-moving joints. And when I say non-moving joints, I'm talking about if they had to cut out a chunk of concrete to get to some plumbing and then they've re-poured concrete in there, there's always a little joint that goes around it. That's what we consider non-moving, and this product's perfect for that. It can be mixed up where it's loose and runny if it needs to go deeper into these cracks, or you can mix it up like a paste. And Sonny's going to give you guys some input on that to go vertical.
Yeah, mixing it as a paste, you would use all of the bag to the A and the B, and it mixes really, really nice and thick. It's very, very creamy. If you do mix the whole container or whole kit, which we absolutely recommend, we don't recommend breaking this down. This is very inexpensive, so and you can do a whole garage with this once you mix it. But what you don't want to do is mix it and keep it in mass. You're going to want to use a hawk trowel or even a piece of board, just something, get it out flat. Once it's out like that, you'll be able to grab it with your putty knife off of there and put it into the crack very easily. Have plenty of time to get the whole job done. You can also split it up if you've got a lot of cracks. You and two guys can just take one kit and just go to town with it.
One guy takes half of it and the other guy takes the other half.
Yeah.
And again, that's not, you mix half and then he mixes half. That is mixing it all together and then divvying it up.
Right. And again, like Chuck said, it's great for underneath your armor shields, for a pro flake floor, under the armor base. Any of our Titan series, this is perfect to go in and fix those divots, those cracks, just non-moving joints. You definitely don't want to try and fill an expansion joint with this product.
Absolutely. I mean, in the past, we've used crack repairs and, sands came into the mix. What kind of sand, what grain sand do I need to use? And unfortunately, the homeowners doesn't see it. And when I say unfortunately, we all become our own worst critics. And you look at different angles and you know where that crack was because you repaired it. So you're more apt to see it than not. With this, you won't see it. I mean, it is a smooth, flat, slick repair. And like I said, anything in the Titan series that goes over it, you're not going to see where that crack was.
As with any, if the crack is kind of large, you want to make sure that you get it filled, and you're going to want to grind this after. The timing, all of that, as with all of our products, you've got a QR code. All of the installation details is going to be found there. TDS sheets, you got your MSDS sheets on that code. Any other videos we choose to upload in the future. But just be careful that it doesn't recess. If it does, you may have to do a double application, because if you let this recess and then you come over with your flake, that will still go through. So just make sure when you do grind it that it is completely flush. If not, you're going to need to put a second application.
And you can actually create coving with this.
Absolutely, yes. It's so creamy and smooth. You can actually go up if you need to level something out, if you need to come off of you've got a transition.
Yep.
It can be used for that as well.
Thanks for watching this product breakdown. Remember, just hit the QR code for more technical information.